Hope you're having an awesome day. So a very quick daily update here on nat gas, gold and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So before I start my video, let me inform you that I might do a net gas analysis on Indian market on MCX, as well as I'm getting lots of requests from the traders, but that's over the weekend. I'm still looking into it, but just to give you a heads up, I might be doing that over the weekend on my weekend's video. So keep an eye on my weekend's video. So with that being said, let's start with analysis here with net gas first. So what do we have? We have a break of this bottom, and let me quickly show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand the conditions and the entries. Condition, I'm still not expecting price to turn completely bearish. Remember, we are only taking bearish trade when the price will completely broken below this previous low, this little wick here. Once we have that, then we have a signal that price is likely to push down. Awesome. So do you see any sort of condition here? Any bullish engulfers or pin bars? Nothing. We do not have any sort of condition. And if you remember, we already took an entry of double bottom right here, and that target has been hit on 1 hour time frame. So as we already had our target hit on 1 hour time frame, I was looking for a possible entry on 4 hour time frame. Now as you can see, the price has broken below, and I've clearly said that if we have broken below this zone and the price did not reject from this rejection area, instead price breaks and close below, means the price has turned bearish and likely to continue with the trend. So with the power of editing, I have got the next zone, a major area of value. Now if you have been following me from last couple of weeks, I've clearly said that this is the minor level of support, and in even my weekly commodities report as well, I've mentioned that this is a minor area and we can only expect some bounce, which we already got on 1 hour time frame, and price is now continue to push down. At this point, what to expect from here? Now I'm going to pull up my Fibonacci tool as always. We have a zone breaker. Now I'm only expecting a pullback out of net gas. That pullback can be your 50% retracement, which is 3.068. Once we have that, that is your aggressive way to enter the trade. You can set a limit order, sell limit order, and targets can be 1 ATR, whatever the ATR is, or 1.618 retracement. So once your 1 ATR target is hit, you can manage your trades accordingly. So I'm not entering any bullish trades at this point, as price already made a new low. We can only expect a pullback. If you want to enter in a less aggressive way and you don't want to enter with a limit order, you can wait for a bearish engulfer, something like this. This is an entry priority members and premium members are learning with exact rules, and we had that already on 4 hour time frame. Since then the price is now pushing down. If we have another condition right here in this zone, we will take another sell trade. Until when? Until price hit the next level of major support. This is a major support, and this is a zone from where we can expect a very good bounce. Until then we will wait and look for sell conditions only. The next zone is 2.444 goes up to 2.595. This is the major area from where I'll be only looking for my counter trades. So till then we will only look for sell trades until the price is trading below all these, both 20 and 50 EMA. So have these zones on your charts and just look for sell conditions only. Price might not pull back all the way. It can still push down because we already have a retest of this previous level of support that has now turned resistance. We have a retest already, but the better way to enter will be with an entry condition within this zone, like an engulfers, like a bearish engulfers. Okay, right here on Wanda, the next major zone, everything is same. Just want to give you a next major zone, which is 2.329 goes up to 2.505. This is a zone from where we will enter our buy trades. Till then we will only look for sell opportunities. Price can still push up, pull back, hit 20 EMA and form another bearish engulfer, or till 50 EMA form a bearish engulfer. So not buying until the price completely broken above 50 EMA. Let's check gold. Awesome. So gold is working perfectly with my analysis. As you can see, we've been taking buy trades since the price is trading above both EMAs, and with this pin bar we already had our target hit, and I've mentioned that, and with that pin bar we had a bullish pressure. So at this point, keep the zones here above the next zone in case you have missed it. This zone is 1958 goes up to 1984. This is a zone from where we will take our counter sell trade. Till then we are only looking for buying opportunities. So keep these zones on the charts. Price can still push up, hit this zone, and we will enter sell trades from this area. Let's check crude oil. Okay, awesome. As per my last video, I've said that if price will break and close below 50 EMA, we will start to look for sell condition. But price still moving sideways At this point, I can still see a bearish pressure, price break below this previous zone, and then that could be another retest of this zone and price can likely to fall down. So at this point, not entering buy trades until we have one more green candle that is closed above this zone, or the price is completely broken above this top. Only then crude oil will turn completely bullish. So just look for sell conditions at this point, with one of the entry conditions like bearish. In golfers, we do not have any conditions yet. The way I will enter crude oil trade is once the price is completely broken below 50 EMA, I will wait for the pullback and then my bearish candle to take another short until the price hit this next level of support, which is 76.42. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.